Sunil Mishra. I work as the Chief Strategy Officer for PropTiger Housing, which is an online real estate company. I'm a very positive person. I look at it as a start of a 100-year bull run in the whole sort of ecosystem of startups, which started in 2001, which was the first wave. The second wave is going on right now. So I'm seeing an internet and smartphone are the two sort of tools which are different from what was there 20 years back or 50 years back. So not at all. The dream has not died. The dream is just starting, and it's 15 years so far from 2000. I think we have gotten 85 years of sort of great innovations coming in. Yeah, so online real estate is a pretty sexy sector in terms of trying to solve problems, because there are multiple problems in broking market in India for the first 60 years after independence. So we're trying to solve those problems of liquidity, which is you see many apartments online. Second is of trust, because you put the apartments which are real, there are fake listings floating around. And third is visualization. Because you buy apartments in India which are 5 years down the line, they are on PowerPoint. So we can help you visualize how the apartment will look like. So these are three sort of problems that online real estate sector in India is trying to solve. And it's a 10-year journey so far. And the next 10 years will sort of tell who's the winner in the sector. Oh, phenomenal. 65% of people today start a home search on the internet. This was zero 10 years back. You used to go to your Nukkadwala broker to start with. Then it increased by 10% every year. So if you want to search for an apartment today, you go to Google and say 2 BHK in Ulve, right? You don't go and ask Patil Bhai or someone for the thing. So that's changed. Right? So we have come on the internet. And then 70% of the decision making is happening on the internet. You don't have to go there. Earlier you used to go to 10 different apartments, see it. Today everything is there. Today there's a virtual reality, augmented reality sort of solution where you can see the apartment, etc. So you can eliminate a lot of bad choices and then focus on only 5 apartments to see and buy it. So we have shrunk the buying cycle. We have made trust come up in the buying process. Oh, real estate sector is not only stagnant, it is falling for the last 4 years. So last 4 years, number of units sold is falling. However, companies like ours are growing because we are grabbing market share. And the falling sector is a cyclical sort of phenomenon. Yeah, it's a 7 to 10 year cycle, which sort of repeats in cycle. So older guys like me who have seen 2-3 cycles can talk about that. Right? So we have seen some busts earlier. So we are waiting for the next cycle to start off. It started. So we have got a regulatory authority in place 2 months down the line. We have got a demonetization cleaning up the sector. We have got affordable housing really taking off. Yesterday, the Prime Minister announced a huge rental scheme for poor people. So a lot of measures have started, and this is the beginning of the next cycle now. Yeah, so one is they need to be solving a genuine problem of people. You can't be sort of just building a P&L for the sake of building a profit and loss statement. So you have to solve a problem, you have to find a profitable way to do it. That's the second thing. And you have to keep at it. Yeah? You have to be focused. You can't do 20 things. You can't be a conglomerate. So General Electric was made 150 years back, but there are no more General Electrics coming in. So it's very tough to manage multiple businesses. So stay focused, solve a problem, and solve it profitably. Very 3 sort of simple mantras. Internet followed by WWW, World Wide Web followed by smartphone are the 3 innovations which happened in the last 20 years. There is artificial intelligence, the machine learning which is going to come. 3D printing has started. In China, they have printed a 6-story building through 3D printing. Shoes are getting printed through 3D printing. That's crazy. Like robots are going to sort of work in farms, and this is going to happen in the next 5 to 10 years, not in the next 100 years. So this is not Alvin Toffler. This is not science fiction. This is actually happening, and there are 4 or 5 huge areas of sort of change which I mentioned, which are really going to take things away. Tesla. Anyone would send a rocket into space in private sector was couldn't think of that 10 years back. Today there are 3-4 companies which are running for that. So a lot of stuff is happening, and we have to be positive about things that are happening. Out of 100 companies, 90 will fail, but 10 which will last will be big blockbusters.
Okay, so